Yeah.
Hey everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today, just very quickly, I want to do this video on a giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So once I hit 50 subscribers, I will be doing this giveaway. So what I'll be giving away is, first, I'm going to be giving away some gel polishes, some regular polish and gel polish by D&D. And this polish is called Oh Blue Ash. So it comes with the regular polish and the gel polish, and it's a baby blue color. And then next is this really pretty glitter polish, and it has a lot of specks of a lot of different colored glitter. And this one's called Rainbow Falls by D&D. And then this hot pink nail polish in the name Magenta Aura. So these polishes come with the regular polish and a gel polish. And also I'm going to be giving away this LED lamp to cure your gel polish or top coat. And all this stuff, I just got it today, so this is new. I'm going to open it to show you guys what it looks like. So this comes with a USB cord to connect to your lamp, and then to your brick adapter, and then to your wall. So this is what it looks like. So it's just a nice little lamp. It fits your 4 fingers, and then you can just cure your thumb like that. Excuse me, I have allergies. So here's the on and off button, and then you have your LED lights in there, and then this is where you connect your USB cord. So it's pretty long, it looks pretty long. So this is what it looks like. And then I'll be giving away, let's see, some cuticle oil. So I'll be filling this bottle with cuticle oil once I do the giveaway. And my favorite gel top coat. I've been through so many gel top coats, and this one is the one for me. I got this from my local nail supply store. And then a cleanup brush. So when you get nail polish on your cuticles or your sidewalls, you can just clean it up with some acetone. So this is the one that I use, and I really love this brush. And then a dotting tool at the other side. It still has a price. It's $7, you guys. So that's what it looks like. And then also I'll be giving away 2 nail files. So you got your 2 nail files. Oh, and some glitter, some holographic glitter. This glitter is really pretty, you guys. It's really pretty. So I got this stuff from my local nail supply store. So you got your 2 nail files, your glitter, and your glitter, you don't have to be a nail tech to do this. This stuff is good for if you're a nail tech, you can use it on your clients, or if you want to use it on yourself. It's very easy. So the glitter, all you have to do is apply a layer of 1 coat of gel polish, and then the glitter over the gel top coat, and then cure it in your lamp for 45 seconds. And then apply your gel top coat over the glitter again, and cure again for 45 seconds, and then you're good to go. And this is a no white gel top coat, so that's a good thing too. Okay, so we got that, and then your cuticle oil. So you got your glitter, your cuticle oil, your gel top coat, your files, your cleanup brush, and your nail polishes. So I'll be giving away all of these stuff once I hit 50 subscribers, you guys. So I'm a little behind 50 subscribers, but once I hit that 50 subscribers, I will be giving away all of these nail products. And so the only rule is that you have to be subscribed to my channel, and Also, leave me a comment down below so I can know that you are subscribed to my channel. Just let me know that you're subscribed to my channel, and I will add you to my list. So very quickly, I also want to add in that I haven't been doing nails for too long, you guys. I've only been doing nails for almost 2 years. In August, it will be 2 full years of me doing nails and me taking in clients. So basically, I learned everything on my own. I practiced on my sisters. One of my sisters helped me make an Instagram because I knew nothing about Instagram, but she helped me make an Instagram, and I started posting pictures of my nails that I was doing on her and my other sisters. So people were contacting me, so I was taking them in and I was trying my best to do nails on them. So I learned a lot by just taking people in quickly. I didn't give myself time to practice. I didn't give myself too much time to practice. So basically, my clients that I had, I was practicing on them and my sisters, and I was doing nails for really, really cheap. So but yeah, that's that. So I've only been doing nails for about 2 years, so I'm still learning a lot of stuff today, you guys. I've learned so much on my own, but I know there's a lot more stuff that I need to learn, and every day I feel like I learn something new. So yeah, that's never ending. So yeah, that's all for the giveaway, you guys. So once I hit 50 subscribers, I will be giving all of these products away. So yeah, and I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, for taking the time out of your guys' day to watch my videos. I really appreciate that, and I really love you guys' comments. Thank you guys so much for commenting. It motivates me to keep doing nails and to keep making videos for you guys. And if there's something that you guys would like to see from me, like a design that you guys would want to see or anything like that, feel free to ask me. Leave me a comment down below. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to announce my giveaway. So thank you guys all so much for watching my videos, for subscribing, for all of the love and all of the support you guys show me on my channel. I very much appreciate it. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.